Hi, my name is Isaiah Coberly. I'm the owner and inventor at New Pencil Incorporated. I just wanted to share real quick what I designed here. It's actually for the Surface Pro. I have designed this case, and it has aluminum bones inside of it. So it's just essentially aluminum that's laminated between two pieces of beautiful fabric. This is Magellite on top, and this is used in the marine industry. Whereas this is actually genuine ultra suede. On the inside, it's very, very soft and plush. It actually is a very expensive non-woven material, so you can cut it and it'll never fray, and that's why I choose these materials. They're some of the best materials on the planet as far as I'm concerned. The aluminum bones are actually kind of bent around to form fit to the Surface Pro, and I'll show you how the case goes on really quick. Basically, what I would do is I open up the case. I'm going to go ahead and remove the keyboard from the Surface Pro here. And what I do is just kind of line it up on the edge here, and I'm putting it on. Make sure I'm putting it on the right way. I'll go ahead and close the cover, and then just gently pull the surface in, and you see that it's now inside of the case. Then I just take these tabs and I pull these tabs up just like that. And now this is a flip-steady case. This is a unique folding panel that I designed. That when it folds over, it actually turns into a really unique standing device for the Surface. And so you'll see that it actually, let me see if I can get in on that a little bit. There you go. So now it's a very pliable device that stands up the tablet in a lot of different ways. So you have a number of different portrait positions that you can go to. And then you also have various landscape positions that you can go to, all just by one-handed kind of operating the origami here. It does a lot of different things that I'm not going to show here, but it folds completely flat to the front. And then by untethering this snap right here, when you open it up, it folds completely flat to the back. So that untethers the origami folding mechanism. And now you have something else. And there's a lot of other ways that you can stand it up when it's not tethered. All right, this is an origami situation. You can really start to play with it if you like. Anyhow, let me tether it back up here really quick. And I also wanted to show how I actually made it work with the keyboard. The beauty of this is that the keyboard functions so nice with this case. I mean, I leave all the space in the world right there so that it could just snap into place and close over the top. And now you can carry it as a tidy little package. Better yet, if you actually take the keyboard and turn it around, then you can fold it to the back. And the flip-steady case actually still functions really well with the keyboard just piggybacked on the back of the device. Another thing is that if you're just using it in keyboard mode, you can open up the keyboard. It's almost easier just to like take this flap and fold it to the back. And now you're working in, I would say, this kind of viewing angle towards the computer. You're really, it's down on your knees or something like that. Then if you take the origami and stand it up, now you're at kind of a computer height where, you'd have it on a desk or something like that. And you can go into other positions as well. I included some utility on the back of the case. So if a user wanted to put his hand in here, for instance, this is a hand strap. And so you can have the hand strap open, and I would recommend untethering and folding it to the back. And now you're working with your hand. Boy, my computer is smudgy, isn't it? Also, having the case closed, I put another utility in here that's a piece of elastic. And the elastic stretches out, and you just watch this kind of figure-8 motion really quick. Oh, I almost dropped it. It's a good thing the flip-steady was on there. So anyhow, yeah, I have this elastic strap that goes across the front, and now the cover is not going to fall off. It also works a little bit if you actually take the case and fold it close. You can actually take that elastic now and you fold it over the entire assembly. All right. And now I have a really tidy bundle. All right, so those are some of the ways that you can use the flipsteady. It's really a remarkable device. I make them all by hand myself, actually in my basement. I'm just kind of a crazy inventor type who has found an interesting niche for high-end computer cases, and I'm obsessed with working with aluminum and fabrics and live hinges and bending aluminum and all of the amazing things that you can create instead of using traditional kinds of plastic injection molding and other industrial processes. I really feel like this is a viable alternative. Not to mention also, you can actually rip the fabric up and recycle all of the aluminum once this case is obsolete and we're on to the Surface Pro 7 or something like that. Anyhow, that's my wrap. I just thought I'd share it. Merry Christmas, everybody, and I'll be shipping these in January to people. So this is actually the final prototype before the production model. There are some things I'm going to change. For instance, I'm going to make the hand strap just a little bit bigger. I'm going to beef up some of the aluminum bends here in the corner. I also found out that I can gain some interesting, I would say, maneuverability for the device if I just run the strap through this top panel. I don't expect very many people to understand what I'm talking about, but I'm redesigning this case this week after Christmas, and I will be delivering these cases in January. It's called a flipsteady case. If you want to know more about it, you can go to my website, www.flipsteady.com. All right, thanks for watching. I'll have a better video of this when I'm not showing a prototype, when I'm showing the production model. Thanks.